What's up, it's Ayiana Maria, and I am back. Yes, I am back with another guitar lesson. Alright, today we're going to be learning how to play Best Part by Daniel Caesar featuring H.E.R. Let's get right into it. Alright, so this song consists of 6 chords. It's not too tough. Let's get right into it. So first we're going to be on the 5th fret with D major 7. Alright, so barring the 5th fret. Alright, second finger on the 6th fret, 3rd string. Then you have your 3rd finger on the 4th string of the 7th fret, and your pinky is on the 2nd string, 7th fret. You have A minor 7. You're on the 5th fret, all your fingers on the 5th fret. You're going to have your 1st finger on the 6th. You're going to skip the 5th, mute it with your 1st finger, 2nd finger on the 4th, 3rd finger on the 3rd, 4th finger on the 2nd, and also mute the 1st string. Alright, so far we have when you get to D9, which is our 3rd chord, and you're on the 4th fret this time. Your 1st finger is on the 4th fret, 4th string, and then your 2nd finger is on the 5th string, 5th fret. Your 3rd finger is on the 3rd string, 5th fret. Your 4th finger is on the 2nd string, 5th fret. Alright, so far we're at next chord. We have G major 7. So you are on the 3rd fret, 1st finger on the 6th string, 2nd finger on the 2nd string, and on the 4th fret, your 3rd finger is on the 4th string, and your 4th finger is right below that on the 3rd string. And then you slide that same shape up to the 6th fret, and then you slide it up a whole step to the 8th fret. And those are all the chords you need to know. So on the 3rd fret you have the G major 7, and then on the 6th fret you have the B flat major 7, and you slide it up whole step to C major 7. So all together we have and that's how you play Best Part by Daniel Caesar featuring H.E.R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get these notifications every day for these new lessons. And also, if you would like to have the chord chart and a more in-depth video of this lesson along with the backing tracks, make sure to join my Patreon. The link is in the bio. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Peace out.